no guns, no bombs, and no disease, no hungry minds to feed. From a distance, we are instruments marching in echo, playing songs of hope, playing songs of peace, and they are songs of every man. God is watching us, God is watching us, and God is watching us from a distance. And God is watching us, and God is watching us, and God is watching us.
You did a very good job with the song. You're still great. Just go and hook outside the volume. It's too much.
I like the way you have improved in this competition. From the first time I saw you till today.
And for me, your best performance this year, or possibly the best ever I've seen you on. Now, and I didn't see you look at the floor today. You never once looked at the floor, because I always go on the floor.